Your Excellency, we want to thank you for your time. You are a very busy person. Taking time with the youth. Your Excellency, sisi kama watu wako wa mkono uko ground, tunakaanga na hawa vijana. Na hata mahali wamekaa hapa, wanajua William Samoei Ruto ni to. That is your another name, Your Excellency. Your another name is William Samoei Ruto to term. Please just accept it. Your Excellency, you have led by example. Today, when we talk about your name in any function, any funeral, any gathering, not only the people you've picked to serve in your government from our region, there are substantial development that you can point at. Your Excellency, after the stadium shall be over, Your Excellency, and you shall be coming to officiate it, somebody should give us a reason why you need to come down there to ask for votes. Somebody should just convince us. Whatever you've done to us as a people is talking for itself. It's talking for itself. So our work here is to help you talk about the things that are happening. Your Excellency, one of the serious sector that is going to make your re-election happen by between 9 to 10 a.m. is to the sporting team. And Your Excellency, we promise that. We want to thank the patron, Honorable Mark Nyamira. He has seriously dedicated himself to this team, and we want to thank all the leaders that are here, that this is the way to go, and give Rais a very easy time. Your Excellency, lastly, we have come to ask you for friendship ya milele na milele, because unajua hii ya 2027 hii, unajua hii imeisha, imeenda. We are looking at you past. But Your Excellency, I want us to change the term. Maybe you will tell us later. Mambo ya 2 term, maybe tukimaliza hiyo maneno, maybe August there, you will advise. We can even go for, if it is like this, it cannot be 2 term, Your Excellency. It cannot. It can. Ama namna gani? Yeah, so unajua huko wananiita milele na huku sasa wewe watakuita long term, Your Excellency. So ya mwisho kabisa, because of your time, I would request you on behalf of our team that utafunga masikio kidogo kwa kelele ya huko nje. Your Excellency, I have seen some leaders saying that there is a regime that is fighting you. Tell me, Your Excellency, why should they not fight you? And when they sleep at night, whatever you've done in 4 years, employing over 100,000 of teachers, some of them took them 10 years and they didn't do. Why shouldn't they complain? They should complain. Your Excellency, I am looking at the gross domestic product vis-a-vis the income per capita for the last 10 years and for 4 years that you are a wonderful man, Your Excellency.